Hey guys, I want to introduce 5 essential items for your upcoming Ramadan. Okay guys, come, let's go. The first item is definitely rice guys. So, of course we have the normal fragrant rice and we have basmati rice. So, why do you need rice? Of course, you need the carbs guys to last you the whole day. And what do you eat rice with? Come, let me show you. So, you will pair your rice with our ready-to-eat dishes guys. Come. So, there are a lot of dishes here for you to choose from. There's strip loin beef rendang, sambal goreng pengantin, beef rendang, mata rendang, ayam rendang. And if you want it with the rice already, so you can grab our MRE, meal ready to eat. So, very convenient, especially for sahur or for iftar if you are not at home, and not forgetting our lemak cili padi. Okay guys, come let me show you the other products. And if you are eating our beef rendang, definitely you need bergedil also guys. Okay, so come, bergedil is here. You need bergedil is here. And if you want to fry up some appetizers, some desserts, some prata early in the morning for your sahur, it's all here. Okay guys, come let me show you some drinks that you guys can drink up during your iftar or your sahur. Come. So guys, if you are taking your sahur, probably this alert and this express shot will help you guys boost your energies early in the morning. And if you are breaking fast, definitely we all are thirsty, you can have some energy drinks guys, okay, for your iftar. And most importantly guys, is definitely dates, okay, dates. And guys, I want to share that there are some dates on offer, like our sukari and our medjool, okay guys. So our sukari, one is $12, 3 is $30. Our medjool from Palestine, okay guys, Palestine is 1 for $35 and 3 for $100. So do drop by, thank you. So if you want to have a taste before you buy, you can taste it. Come, there are testers here. You can just simply grab one piece, say I want to test, so bismillah. Sukari is my favorite for this year, but definitely Ajwa will always be the best because it's the sunnah of Rasulullah. Bismillah, alhamdulillah.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.